guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different, something that I've never filmed before. I know I've been getting a whole lot of requests on Instagram about people wanting to see my perfume collection, but it's a whole lot of collection. I love collecting perfumes, so I know you guys don't know that, but this is me telling you guys, okay? I'm a perfume collector. I can go broke collecting perfumes, and I'm not sorry to say that I'm a perfume connoisseur, okay? Alright, so let's get into this perfume. You can tell from the thumbnail. Today we're doing the Ariana. I'm reviewing and unboxing the Ariana Grande Thank You Next Perfume and Cloud. These are the two perfumes right now. So people are talking about this perfume, so I did not order it online. I went ahead and just tried it out in the store. I tested it out and then shopped the two, but let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys and see what we got inside of it. Okay, so first of all, I read reviews about this already and I've tested this out or something, but let me just open it and show you guys. I'm trying to recommend perfumes. This is not like a best perfume video. First of all, the bottle, oh my god, it's so cute, so girly, feminine. It's Cloud. The name of this perfume is Cloud, okay? The name is Cloud, and the bottle is so pretty. I think she has a thing for bottles. Like, I give it to her because I have a Moon perfume, Moon. I already had that, and that's like my everyday go-to favorite perfume, going to bed, doing all that. So yeah, let's bring this out. This is like a stand. This is what I love about this perfume. This is like a stand. You can grab this, put it in your bag if you're traveling and go your way. But if you're home and you want to put it right back, you can put it right back in the kit. And I think this is plastic. It's not heavy, so yeah, it's cute. It's thoughtful of her. Let's get into the scent, how the scent is. Okay, like I said, I'm not the best at, you know, talking about perfumes. So this scent is a cloud. This is Cloud. Okay, the 100 ml, which is 3.4 ounce. This is an Oud perfume, EDP perfume. So this is a sweet scent and it's retailed for $62. The notes in this perfumes are praline and cream, the coconut, which is praline and coconut. That's basically it. So yeah, those are the scent, and it's a sweet scent. So if you're in love with sweet scents, this is a perfume for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this out. I'm just gonna spray this on me first of all. Okay, now this perfume smells like Mercen Francis Cojon. I don't know if you know about that perfume. It's retailed for, I think the 100 ml is about $340 or $50, and this is just $62. So this is, I'm gonna say, is a dupe of that perfume, Mercen Francis Cojon perfume. I even have a sample here. I was given a sample at Neiman Marcus the last time I shopped for perfumes. So this is it. It's gonna look a little bit washed out because the paper is white. Yeah, this one can go as a signature everyday scent. It's not overpowering. Oh my god, now I can smell the coconut. It's sweet. I'm in love. I love any perfume that has coconut in it. Yeah. Oh my god, like it smells like Francis Cojon. Like this perfume, if you're a perfume lover, if you love collecting perfume, this should be in your collection. Oh my god, it's still smelling, and I can tell you this perfume, I have tried it out. It lasted the whole day. Okay, I'm highly recommending this bottle, this Cloud perfume. Like, y'all need to hurry and go get this perfume. I'm in love with this. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be my signature perfume. So you know, if I've walked past you, just know this is what I'm wearing. Okay, this is my favorite scent from Ariana Grande. This is Mercen Francis Cojon in in the cloud. Okay, this is so the next one is this one, Thank You Next from, it's still the perfume, which is EDP 100 ml. I got the biggest size too, which is 100 ml. So let me look on the website and tell you guys what the scent, what kind of scent this is. Okay, so this is a floral scent. It's with notes of macaroon and velvet musk. Okay, this one has musk in it. Okay, I love strong perfumes. Some people don't like strong perfumes, but for me, I'm someone who gets attracted to strong perfumes. I like smelling my perfume, if you get what I mean. Like, I love smelling my perfumes, not just someone else smelling it on me. I love smelling it on me too. This is what this bottle looks like. Like, how cute is this? How pretty is this? Like I said, she knows her job. Like, she does her job 100% with the bottles. Like, she is good with that. I give it to her, whoever's in charge of that. I just love that it comes with cases like this. This is like a case, okay? Yeah, and you fix that. It's just like this one too. Y'all can see. I love the way she packaged it. Sorry. Oh, I took that out of. Can you focus back? Okay. So this is so cute. It's so feminine, so girly. If you love pink colors, like it matches with my nails and my top, y'all can tell I'm a girly girl and all that. So yeah, I love this packaging. It's like a broken hat. So yeah, Thank You Next. Now let's get into the scent. Okay, so it says it has musk in it. So this is where I spread the cloud. It's still there. So let me spread this other hand. Okay. This is a floral scent. Have it in mind. It's good. It's good. The first note smells like it's floral. I can smell the musk in it. I can definitely smell the musk in it, which is good. Of course, I love any musky perfume. It's good. It smells girly, like the bottle pink. It smells girly, which is floral. It smells so good. Yeah, it smells good. But this is still my favorite. So I'm gonna recommend this other one. Cloud is my favorite. Cloud is my favorite because that's like, it smells bossy, classy. It's the kind of perfume that introduces you before you even walk in. Cloud, I give it to Cloud. Like, that's my favorite. That's gonna be my signature scent. So this other one is good. Not really my cup of tea, but I'm just gonna spread that on a normal, you know, daily basis kind of perfume that I will want to wear and go to bed. Yeah, it's good. I'm not saying it's not good. It is good. It smells so good, but not really my kind of perfume. So yeah guys, so that's it for this perfume unboxing or haul or whatever you call it. But I just wanted to compare these two perfumes and tell you guys my thoughts on it. It's not gonna be the best video because this is not like, this is actually my first time trying to review a perfume. And just give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and go run to Ulta or Sephora. I don't know if Sephora carries this, but I got mine at Ulta. So run to Ulta, or right now open your phone, go online, and you know, go to Ulta's website and shop you Cloud. This is a must-have perfume. Okay, this is a must-have. Like, Ariana Grande really did that with this perfume. So y'all need this in your perfume collection if you love collecting perfumes. Even if you don't love collecting perfumes, I think you should own this. Okay, even if this is gonna be the only perfume you own. Oh, these two perfumes, Cloud and Maison Francisco John, Baccarat Road 550. Girl, this smells the same. They smell the same, and this is a tube of it, and this is the boss of it. Okay, this is, so that's it for this video, guys. If you want to see more perfumes, hauls or perfumes, or if you guys want to see my entire perfume collection, just comment down below and let me know so I can film it for you guys. Or if you want to always see new stuff I collect, like doing unboxing videos and all that, just comment down below. Okay, let me know, and I'll be doing giveaways in, you know, all of these collections. Okay, I love collecting perfumes. You might be lucky to be a winner of my perfume giveaway. Okay, so thank you guys for always tuning in to my channel, and thank you guys for all the support, the love. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Share this video with your friends, your families, your loved ones, your aunties, your cousins. Share because you want someone to grab this perfume. This is a must-have. Okay, so share this video, and thank you for the love. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye. But don't forget to watch other videos. Don't just go away. Sit down and watch other videos. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button beside the subscribe button so you know when next I upload a video. So bye.
I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes